padded, it feels really firm. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm just doing a quick review of this present that I bought for Ryan, which is a foldable Ottoman. It's 38 by 38 centimetres and it's a natural colour. So it came in this box and it's by Home Harmony. They have different colours. I'm going to link it down below, the one that I've got. I'm going to open this for him and set it up, and then you can have a look at it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Foldable storage Ottoman, and 3 easy steps: storage for books, light blankets and accessories, and use for extra seating. He likes to sit on the tub chair. I'll link that video above if you want to check it out, where it was like an old leather one and I got like a slip cover to cover it. So this goes with that nicely. So this is really nice. It's padded. It feels really firm. It feels like it's got a piece of wood in there. I think they might have like faux leather ones as well. So it opens up. Again, it's a good weight, I would say. These are quite sturdy, and that is definitely sturdy. Not like, you know, your flimsy ones that you get from like the pound shop or dollar store. So that goes in the bottom. And then that goes on top. So there we go. So I'm going to pop it down and show you what it looks like and sit on it, and yeah, make sure that it's fit for purpose. Alright, yeah. Yeah, it's good, isn't it, Micah? Hey? So it seems sturdy enough. Yeah, do you like that, Micah? Hey? Hey? Well, yeah. Let's put some stuff in it. Hey, should we put some stuff in? Yeah? As you can see, the material looks really, really nice, and it looks like it's hard wearing. We've had it for about a week now, and we've put a lot of stuff in there. My husband's been putting his feet on it, the kids have been on it, bouncing up and down. I've been sat on it, and so far so good. I was skeptical that it would hold up, but it's doing really well. You can see that you can put a folder in there. That's like the height of it. There's so much stuff in there. My husband's just like filled it with loads of books and folders, but the lid goes on nicely, and it's just been really, really brilliant. And I think for $12.99 it's definitely worth it. Here's my son. He's 8 and he likes to sit there with his feet up, and then little Micah, this is what it's like all the time. He's always jumping up and down on it. So I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, I'm going to put a link down below to the one on amazon.co.uk and one from amazon.com, which looks very similar, but I don't think they have as many different colours. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like it and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!